me ask you a question about the economy. We saw these new unemployment numbers this week showing the economy's created more than 1 million jobs in the last 3 months, the best record in 17 years. A solid forecast for 2015 as well. What does that do to your party's strategy going forward into 2016? Here's what Kevin Hassett, an economic advisor to John McCain and Mitt Romney, told the Washington Post. He said, when Hillary Clinton runs, she's going to say the Republicans gave us a crappy economy twice and we fixed it twice. Why would you ever trust them again? What's the answer?
Well, look, if Hillary Clinton wants to run by telling Americans that the economy is doing great and you can credit President Obama and Hillary Clinton for that, I would encourage her to follow that strategy. Because the simple reality is that's true for the wealthy. The top 1% under President Obama, the millionaires and billionaires that he constantly demagogues, earn a higher share of our income than any year since 1928. Those with power and influence who walk the corridors of power of the Obama administration have gotten fat and happy under big government. But I'll tell you, hard-working men and women across America are hurting. We today have the lowest labor force participation since 1978. 92 million Americans aren't working, and we've seen wages stagnate.
Sounds like you've got your economic stump speech down.